Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade volcano that you can use as a school project. This is the supplies I'm using to make the volcano. So I have vinegar, dish soap, an empty water bottle. Make sure it's big, because if it's too small it won't work. I have baking soda, paintbrush to paint the volcano, food coloring, and 3 bottles of paint, and also paper mache clay to help make the volcano. So you have to tape the water bottle to the box to make sure the volcano doesn't move during the chemical reaction. And next, we're making the volcano. In order to make the volcano, we have to mix the paper mache, 1 pound of it, with 32 ounces of water. Absolutely. As you can see, this is quite a mess. Almost have it. Now we're gonna start kneading it with my really white hand.
How does it feel?
It feels pretty good actually. But it's an even bigger mess on my hands. At least it stays in the bowl and it doesn't go everywhere like it did when I poured it in. Now we're gonna start molding the volcano. As you can see, 1 pound is definitely not enough, so we have a 2nd pound here.
Oh.
Oh, it's getting in my nose. Well, we only had 2 pounds of paper mache, but I recommend 3 or 4 because so you can make the base wide, because this volcano is gonna be a little skinny with 2 pounds only. So now I have to clean this mess before my mom kills me and let this dry overnight, or if you want to be safe, 24 hours. The volcano has dried overnight. Now it's time to paint. I'm going to be painting the volcano with brown with streaks of red and orange to represent lava. Now it's time to paint the lava streaks using orange and red.
That's enough, I think.
Okay.
It's gonna be a messy volcano.
Yeah, the brown was already messy enough. The painting is complete. Now we have to wait an hour for it to dry to do the experiment. The volcano is finally dry. So to make the reaction, I have this bottle here with water, vinegar, food coloring, and dish soap, and then some baking soda mixed with water. So first, let's pour this.
It's too much. It's okay.
Okay, now we're gonna mix the water and baking soda. As you can see, the dish did spill out a little bit, but it's fine.
Move back.
I think that's good.
Uh-oh.
I don't need to pour all of it because
Use the...
just a little bit.
Yeah, just a little bit. Fast. Ooh.
Need some more. There it is.
Nice. A little more.
A little more? No, golden. There. there's the volcanic eruption.